Hi everybody, welcome back to today's video. I'm going to show you how to create an unlimited number of Gmails without using your telephone number for verification. And also guys, also really important, I am also going to show you in another video how to get an unlimited space on your Google Drive. Now if you need that, just let me know in the comment section as well, and I'll show you how to do that. So first, go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, I want you to go and type in let's see, what can we type in? Type in go log in. All right, and then you're gonna see it over there. You can see it is 9 megabyte or something like that. Click on install. Okay, now on your browser or on your Windows computer, the app is for sale. Okay, you will have to buy it. I don't know how much you have to buy it, but for on the phone, I'm going to show you how to use it without buying it. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you how to do. And also, most importantly, I'm going to show you how to get as many emails as possible, and then just delete the go login, so that you can be able to use many emails to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. It's taking quite a while. It's actually a simple process, but it's because of I think my internet issue. That's why, guys. So guys, before I want, once you are done downloading or installing the orbiter, you can see Google here, and you can see run over here. We just have to click on it, and then automatically you can start creating your account over here. Okay, and then you click on that. And then maybe it's going to suggest this to you. You are going to pick the one that you want. I'm going to see Set Coco Lima. Yep, I'm going to pick this one. Yep, and then there. Okay, you can see ask me of a password. I'm going to put in any password I want. And you can see review your account info. Now you can see they even ask me of my telephone number at all. Not at all. Okay, you just click on okay. I think that is it. It creates it for you just like that. Okay, so guys, that is the process you can go through to do that. Now you can use this process to create more emails. Okay, use this process to create more emails, unlimited emails. All right, so guys, that's how you do it.